I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to receive money through Affirm, follow these straightforward steps to get started. Step 1. Create an Affirm account. To receive money, you first need to have an Affirm account. Download the Affirm app or visit their website to sign up. Make sure to provide accurate personal information for verification. Step 2. Link your bank account. Once your account is set up, link your bank account to Affirm. This is where the money will be deposited. Go to the Payment Methods section in your account settings to add your bank details. Step 3. Request money. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the Affirm link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 4. Confirm the transaction. Once the payer accepts your request, you'll receive a notification. Make sure to confirm the transaction in your Affirm app to ensure everything is processed correctly. Step 5. Check your balance. After the transaction is confirmed, check your Affirm balance to see if the funds have been deposited. This can take a few minutes to reflect in your account. If you don't see it right away, give it some time. If you follow these steps, you should be able to receive money through Affirm without any issues. Good luck, and feel free to reach out if you have any questions.